What if the insurance adjuster misses frame damage? Imagine driving your vehicle after an accident, feeling confident that everything is fine. But what if the insurance adjuster missed some critical frame damage? This situation can lead to several challenges that you need to be aware of. Frame damage refers to structural harm to the vehicle's main support frame. This damage can affect the vehicle's alignment, handling, and safety in future collisions. When an insurance adjuster assesses vehicle damage, they typically perform a visual inspection and take precise measurements. They may also use advanced tools like three-dimensional scanners to identify any issues. Signs of frame damage can include misaligned doors, uneven gaps between panels, unusual tire wear, and steering pulling to one side. If the adjuster overlooks this damage, the consequences can be significant. First, let's talk about repair costs. If frame damage is not identified, the insurance claim may not cover the full extent of necessary repairs. Frame damage often requires specialized straightening and structural work, which can be more expensive than cosmetic fixes. This can leave vehicle owners undercompensated for the repairs they need. Next, consider safety risks. Undetected frame damage can compromise the vehicle's structural integrity. If the damage is not repaired, it can reduce the vehicle's ability to absorb impact forces in future accidents, putting occupants at risk. Long-term vehicle issues can also arise from missed frame damage. Problems like poor vehicle alignment, uneven tire wear, and difficulty steering can develop, leading to costly repairs later on. These issues can even shorten the vehicle's lifespan. Additionally, if frame damage is discovered after the initial claim settlement, the vehicle owner may need to reopen the claim or file an appeal. This can complicate the insurance process and delay necessary repairs. Lastly, missed frame damage can impact the vehicle's resale value. If frame damage is found later, the vehicle may be considered unsafe for sale or have a reduced value, affecting the owner's finances. To ensure frame damage is accurately identified, insurance adjusters should conduct thorough inspections. If there is any suspicion of frame damage, the vehicle should be referred to a certified frame damage specialist or collision repair professional for a detailed assessment. As a vehicle owner, you can protect yourself by requesting a detailed damage report that includes frame inspection results. If you suspect that damage was overlooked, seek a second opinion from a trusted auto body shop or frame repair expert. Document any signs of damage you observe, such as misaligned panels or steering issues. In summary, if an insurance adjuster misses frame damage, it can lead to underestimated repair costs, safety hazards, and future vehicle problems. Proper detection and documentation of frame damage are essential steps in the auto insurance claims process to ensure fair compensation and safe vehicle repairs.